Hello everyone, this is Jagjit Singh Panesar from HSP Construction. Welcome to my channel. This video is going to demonstrate to you when tub drain doesn't want to open. So this is the easiest and convenient way I use it. Just grab the grinder, regular grinder with the metal blade, and cut around the drain. And sometimes a drain is very stubborn to open, even though you use a special tool like a drain opener tool. Sometimes that doesn't work either. It breaks a drain, and so then just grab the grinder with a metal blade and cut around the drain. That's it. So guys, safety first. So when you use this metal blade with this grinder, please wear the safety glasses. Those are really essential. Without that, you cannot cut any metal. And this sparkly metal residue, it can go into your eye, it can damage your eye. Please wear the safety glasses before you use a grinder with a metal blade. Thanks for watching my channel. If you need all these more informative videos, please subscribe my channel. If you're still behind, please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you very much.